Hey guys, this video is presented by Study Adda and our first topic which is discussed in this tutorial lecture is polynomials. So, topic to be covered in this chapter: introduction of polynomials, zeros of polynomials, roots of polynomials, remainder theorem, factorisation of polynomials, algebraic identities, geometric meaning of the roots of a polynomial, relationship between zeros and coefficient of a polynomial, division algorithm for polynomials. So in this module we are going to discuss introduction of polynomial, zeros of polynomial and division of polynomials. So let's start. Introduction. So what is the degree of polynomial? Basically, degree of polynomial is the highest power of x present in the polynomial. If Px is a polynomial in x, the highest power of x in P of x is called the degree of polynomial. Let's say x cube P of x equal to plus 3x square plus 9. So what is degree in this polynomial? So highest power of x in this polynomial is at this term and power is 3. So degree become 3 of this polynomial. Another example, x square plus 4. What is degree of in this polynomial? So degree of x is actually the greatest power present on the x. Greatest power present on the x is 2. So degree is 2. So what do you mean by degree of polynomial? If if Px is polynomial in x, the highest power of x in P of x is called the degree of polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial, and if a polynomial have degree of 2 is called quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. So our next topic is zeros of polynomial. Consider the polynomial P of x equal to 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. Let's say x equal to 1. So polynomial of 1 or P of 1 equal to 5 of 1 cube minus 2 of 1 square plus 3 of 1 minus 2 equal, and on solving this we get 4. Let's say P of x equal to 4x square plus 9. We have to calculate its value at x equal to 2. So at x equal to 2. So P of 2 equal to 4 into 2 square plus 9. We have to put actually the value of x in the place of x. So P of 2 equal to 4 of 2 square plus 9, or 4 into 4, since 2 square is 4, since so 4 into 4 plus 9. 16 plus 9 equal to 25. So at x equal to 2 we get the value of this polynomial is 25. So our next topic is zeros of polynomials. Nothing but the value of x for which value of P of x become 0 is called zeros of polynomial. Let's say we have an example, x square minus 1. We have this polynomial. So we have to find for which value of x this polynomial become 0, and if x square minus 1 equal to 0, for which value we have to find. So on seeing this equation, we clearly get that at x equal to 1 or x equal to minus 1, p of x become 0. So zeros of polynomial for this polynomial is 1 and minus 1. Now we have question. Find the value of each of the following polynomial. At our first question is 5x square minus 3x plus 7 at x equal to 1. So we have to find the polynomial, find the value of polynomial p of x at x equal to 1. So we can get the value easily by substituting x equal to 1. So at the place of x we have to put 1, and p of 1 become 5 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 7. That is nothing but 5 minus 3 plus 7 equal to 9. So the answer is 9. All the examples are taken from NCERT books of class 9th or 10th. So you have easy understanding for board examination. Now our next question is 3y cube minus 4y plus 11 p of y. We have to find the value of p of y at y equal to 2. So again we have to substitute in place of y 2. 3 into 2 power 3 minus 4 into 2 plus 11. 2 cube equal to h. 3 into h minus 4 into 2 plus 11, and this become 24 minus h plus 11. On solving this we get 24 plus 11 35 minus 8 27. So solution of this question is 27. Third question is p of t equal to 4 into t to the power 4 plus 9 t cube minus t square plus 6, and we have to find the value of this polynomial at x equal to or t equal to a. So we have to do nothing but only substitute at the place of t a, and the value become 4a to the power 4 plus 9 a cube minus a square plus 6. So these are the most basic concept of polynomials, and very easy concept of polynomials. You can do it yourself. So let's start that age. So next topic is division of polynomial, and we have to divide p of x by g of x, where p of x equal to 3x square plus x minus 1 and g of x equal to x plus 1. So 3x square plus 1 plus x minus 1 upon x plus 1. We have to find this by the method of division. So how division occur in polynomials? These are the basic concepts, and you have already learned it in class 6 or 7, but in the form of integers or real number. And now we have to divide polynomial. So it's start it. This portion is denominator or divisor, and this is known as numerator or dividend. X plus 1, 3x square plus x minus 1. Firstly, we want to think what term is multiplying in x so that we get this value 3x square. So on multiplying x with 3x, we will get value the 3x square. So we have to put here 3x and multiply 3x with x plus 1. We have to multiply x plus 1 with 3x. We already know dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So after multiplying x plus 1 with 3x, we have get the value 3x square, and multiply 1 with 3x plus 3x. Now in general division, we have subtract this value from this value. So subtract it. 3x square minus 3x square equal to 0, and after subtracting x minus 3x, we will get minus 2x, and here minus 1. Now we have to make we have to find a number after multiplying this term with that number. We have get value minus 2x. At least we have get value minus 2x. So we should multiply here with minus 2. If x multiply with minus 2, we have get value minus 2x, and plus 1 multiply with minus 2, we have get value minus 2. And since we are subtracting, so we have to change the sign. It is negative, so we have to make it positive, and we have to make it positive. Minus 2x plus 2x equal to 0, minus 1 plus 2 equal to 1. So it is our remainder, it is our quotient. Now we have to check whether we have divided correctly or not. So multiply divisor into quotient. X plus 1 into 3x minus 2 plus 1 plus remainder. X into 3x, 3x square, x minus 2 means minus 2x plus 3x minus 2 plus 1. We will get value 3x square plus x minus 1, which is equal to dividend. So it means we have divided correctly, and this is the method of division. With the practice, you will find this method is so easy, and I will solve more problem on this method. Next question is find the remainder obtained on dividing x cube plus 1. So it is dividend, it is divisor. So first we want to make this. So firstly we want to find a term after multiplying with this term. We will get x cube. So there has to be x square into x cube, 1 into x square equal to x square. Now subtract it from above. This term got cancelled out, and here minus x square plus 1. Now we have to multiply dividend Oh, sorry. Now we have to multiply divisor with minus x. So we can get minus x square. Minus x square plus, sorry, minus x. And we have to change the sign because we are subtracting it from above. And we get value x plus 1. Now multiply it with 1, x plus 1, and remainder is 0. So it is generally basic identity using factorization, that is x cube plus 1 equal to x plus 1 into x square plus 1 minus x, or you can write it as x plus 1 x square minus x plus 1. I will discuss this topic. I will discuss this identity in next lecture. So for today, this is enough, and practice it hard. And if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and like this video and comment for any problem. Thank you guys.